Welcome, and today I just wanted to show you how to create a seamless invisible part. And if you can see here, I have you can see in the bottom, hopefully you can shoe. This is French curl 20, this is 20 inches, 3x, so it comes with 3 bundles of these. Okay, I already used one, and typically you can see my hair, I've cut this in half. So it has that kind of curly, kind of like a body wave type curl, which is really pretty. But I was kind of struggling to do a invisible part whereby it's double-sided and it's secure, because a lot of the ones that I've seen and has been shown to me are not secure, okay? So I have been practicing on my mannequin, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I've done, okay? So you can see here, these are, let me see, okay. Hope it focuses. Okay, so if you can see here, those are the ones I did earlier. And you can see, but these are the ones that I'm going to show, because it, to me, it's kind of like, it's more seamless. You can see. All right, so hopefully I have this clear. So you can see the cornrow. I'm gonna do 2 so that y'all can see. So you can see I pierced the hair, I hooked the hair, and then I'm pulling it through, okay? All right, and then you see that I have the hook still on it, okay? I'm gonna hold on to it so it doesn't slip. I'm gonna pierce it again, second time, and then I'm gonna have one of the legs to hook onto the latch hook, okay? I'm gonna have one of the legs hook on. I'm gonna pull it through the second time. So it has like a semi-knot, okay? I'm gonna keep the thing on there. Then to finalize it, I'm gonna hook it a third time. I'm gonna pierce it a third time, sorry. Okay, with the same leg, okay, that I hooked the first time. So I'm gonna pierce it a third time and hook it, and this time pull it through completely. And make sure I tighten the knot. Okay, I'm gonna do it second time, okay? Okay, so I got some more hair. It's a different hair, but the same technique. So what we're gonna do is, I think I have another cornrow here. Okay, all right, let me use the same one. So I poked it, locked it, pulled it, held onto it, repoked it with the same leg, pulled it through, and now it has like a semi-knot, and then hooked it again. Okay. Locked it, and I'm gonna pull it through. Good. We have a seamless double-sided invisible part.